Welcome to Fig Tree Ranch. Today you're entering our front gate. You're coming onto a rural property, 217 acres or 88 hectares. We breed Drought Master cattle. We have 24 mums and a bull. They're just resting near the generator shed there. We built the new house in 2019. And the old house there you can see in the foreground, the workshop, yards. We have 5 dams on our 100 acres of pastures. This is a close-up of the girls and the calves. We currently have 14 calves from 2025 and 6 calves from 2026. Welcome back to Fig Tree Ranch. Today it's been very wet. It's been wet for the last few days. I thought I'd put the drone out while it wasn't raining on the cattle. See if I can muster them up to the yards. Didn't exactly know where they were. As I flew out, I could see the little brown specks right down the back of the pasture. So we fly down there and have a look, see where they're at. Most of them are in front of us here. There's a few scattered right down the back, so from down through the trees. Whilst I didn't video it while I was down the back, I stood around and got them agitated and they started to move up. Okay, so I flew down the back. You start off with one, and once they get moving, the rest all join in, and before you know it, you've got them all in one place. So this one started to move off, to catch up with the rest of them. You just come up to the back of the herd with the drone and the wall. So let's get out of here and we'll start walking in the opposite direction of where the drone is. It's just steady. Just keep them moving. They know where the gate is. Just head up to that. Quite interesting. They all went through except for 2 calves. A little baby calf, but the one confused from the way. Don't know what's going on. As you'll see shortly. course, two baby calves missed the gate, wander up and down the fence line, so I have to take the dry rod out and stand off them until they turn around, and then we can get them going in the right direction. I'm moving towards them now. Wait for that one to turn around again. And then the other one's going to do. We always head in the direction they face it. So you have to get right out the end here, getting quite close to flying through here. Back off till the right turns around. And let's see, both heading in one direction. You can move into the fence. And I'll move away from you. Put a bit of pressure on. Want to get yourself right up against the fence. The mum's getting concerned when she's coming across. And one of these guys goes around the gate. It's a good job. The other one goes through the wire on the end. We're putting pressure on there, a lot of pressure on there. Backing off. Then turn around. And then go forward, put the pressure on. I don't want too much pressure on because I've actually got to walk around the gate and find the entrance. So one does that like well now, and he's off, he's in. The other guy, never got the message. He's careful now, he's pointing in the wrong direction. Keeping the pressure on. I'll leave that back open so he goes around the gate. He almost does it, he almost gets there. Then he's not. That's his mum waiting on the other side. What he wants to do is get to me. I wouldn't no, give up. Then you have to go another 3 feet, metre, and you would have been around. No. So the only thing I can do really is to come in and follow in more pressure. This is quite far, not quite far. If you can come on, you little dopey bugger, what are you doing? Come on. It doesn't get it. Really frustrating and jumps through the fence. Quite cool. I didn't want to push any more into the yard, so I just left them in this whole pasture here. And I'm wondering what's going on. We had cattle next door with some light covered on the right inside. Then I'll have them all around. I left them here and I just flew back to my house. Anyway, thanks for coming along and just letting me know you go. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.